The Masjid Nabawi, often referred to as the Prophet's Mosque, stands as an emblem of spiritual significance and historical grandeur in Islam. Located in the heart of Medina, Saudi Arabia, it holds a profound place in the hearts of Muslims worldwide. Its history intertwines with the life and legacy of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, making it one of the holiest sites in Islam after the Kaaba in Mecca. Constructed by Prophet Muhammad and his companions upon their migration to Medina in 622 CE, the mosque initially served as a simple structure built from palm trunks and mud bricks. Over the centuries, it underwent extensive expansions and renovations, evolving into the magnificent architectural masterpiece it is today. The current form of the mosque reflects a blend of classical Islamic architecture with modern innovations, accommodating millions of worshippers every year. Today, we will give you an enlightening walking tour of the rooftop of this masjid. It provides worshippers with a tranquil space for reflection and prayer, adorned with elegant carpets and ornate calligraphy. From here, visitors can admire panoramic views of the mosque courtyard and the bustling city of Medina, further enhancing the spiritual experience within the sacred sanctuary. Stairs to the roof are at King Fahad Gate.
Here we are at the top floor of Masjid al-Nabawi, also known as the second level or highest part, is very special in this famous mosque. When people go up from the lower floors, they feel calm and peaceful, away from the noise and activity below. This upper area gives a break from the crowds, making it a good place for thinking and praying. It looks beautiful with nice carpets, fancy writings, and gentle lights hanging from the ceiling. Being there feels quiet and respectful. From up here, you can see all around the mosque, big courtyard, and the city of Medina. The breeze comes in through the windows, carrying the sound of people reading the Quran and praying downstairs. The top floor is not just for praying, it's also for thinking about your faith and feeling close to it. Among the domes and decorations, believers find comfort and connection to their religion. Throughout history, many people from all over the world have visited this special place. They come to see the Prophet's Mosque and feel its importance. It's a place where old traditions and modern life meet. Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, also cherished this place deeply when he migrated from Makkah with his companions. In the early days, the people of Makkah made life difficult for Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, subjecting him to various forms of persecutions. However, upon arriving in Medina, he found solace and tranquility. This peace still spread through the atmosphere of Medina today. For those who visited Masjid al-Nabawi for Umrah or simply to pay homage, the glamour of the city is undeniable. Its serene ambience and historical significance captivate the hearts of visitors, often leaving them reluctant to depart. We also, Desi Explorer, when visit there, we don't want to come back, and one of my boy was crying when we about to depart. Medina is profound connection to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the early days of Islam makes it a sacred sanctuary for believers worldwide. As you can see, these chairs hanging around and people are sitting in the shadow because when we went there, it was the month of December and we were freezing here in America. But when we went there on the top floor of Masjid al-Nabwi, it was like summer days, sunny time, and it's beautiful weather. You can see all these domes, they look very beautiful from inside the mosque. These are two Desi explorers, Daniel and Gibran, enjoying on the top floor of the masjid. You can see there are hardly any people here. Everyone is downstairs because it's cool down there and it's very hot upstairs. Many parts of the world have winter on the peak in the month of December, but in the city of Medina, it feels like summer here. We take a tour, walking tour of all this big compound. You can fit, I think, 5 or 6 soccer fields on this roof. So big, humongous. These coverings or these small shades, they are the clothes, same clothes that the administration used to make the umbrellas in the compound, in the front compound of the masjid. The workers have some peaceful time here and they are relaxing in the shadow part of the area of the masjid. I think the management will be able to hold or manage the big crowd during the time of Hajj because downstairs, even though it's very huge area downstairs, but it's this space is new addition to handle the big crowds. You can see all the minarets here. I was trying to look for that green big minaret that you can see from the front, but you can see through the glass windows, but because there are walls surrounding this compound, it's hard to see that. There are so many. This place is to the uh, goes to the stairs, and there are so many stations for the ZamZam water. You see all these boxes full with the Quran. They are covered right now because when the people come here, sit and they can read the Quran peacefully. You can see all those buildings, like these buildings are very tall when you look them from the ground floor. But when you're on the top floor, I mean on the roof of the masjid, they look like very small, half of the building. Looks like the way the roof is designed, maybe there is a engineering masterpiece to extend it further. This way goes to the downstairs. We are tired now. So this leads to the same place from where we came. I think this is from Umar Al Khattab Gate. I hope you'll enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.